QuickBooks Online Plus lets you preview sales forms like estimates, invoices, and sales receipts before sending or printing them. This lets you make sure they are correctly formatted and that the correct information appears. To preview the different views of an estimate or invoice, open the invoice or estimate, and then click the Email View, Payer View for invoices only, or PDF View tab to preview the way the customer's email looks, their invoice payment page looks, and the PDF copy of the form looks. Alternatively, to open a PDF preview of a sales form, open the sales form. In the toolbar at the bottom of the Forms window, then click either the Print or Preview button for credit memos, refund receipts, and sales receipts, the Print or Download button for invoices and estimates, or the Print button for sales orders and received payments. For credit memos, refund receipts, and sales receipts, then select the Print or Preview command. For invoices, estimates, and sales orders, then select the Print command. Doing any of these actions then opens the PDF preview of the sales form in a new window or tab. Use the PDF preview to ensure the form looks the way you want it to look. If anything needs to be changed, close the PDF preview and return to the sales form's editing page to make the necessary corrections. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.